Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change a word in a string. So first of all I'm going to create a string here using the scalar. So we are going to change a word. Okay, we're going to create a subroutine called substitute words. Substitute words. Okay. Right, we're going to print a message to the user so the user knows what to do. Enter word to change. Enter a word to change in there. Again, my scalar change. This is going to be equal to standard input, so we can get the input off the user, the word that they want to change in this string. Chomp scalar change. Okay, and we're going to do a conditional. So if the string, and we're going to do the matching operator here. Whoops, okay, I'm just going to have to get the matching operator because there's my keyboard's been damaged, so I've had to save it in a little file here called Squiddly. Because I've got a problem with my keyboard on this particular computer, so I've had to save it in there. Right, okay, let's just paste that in because that's like the matching operator there. And start off with this S, and then we're going to do forward slashes, and this is the word that we want to change, and scalar change here, and we're going to escape that. And we're going to change it with whatever we type into the standard input there. So we're going to print something out to the user. Print new string. It's going to be scalar string, a new line there, and I'll just neaten this up because we're going to do an else, a catch-all statement here, else, and we're simply just going to type in a generic message here to the user. So print no match found. Okay, now all we have to do is run the program. Look at this string first. So we are going to change a word. So that's going to be substitute words there. Okay, let's just save that. Let's run it. Okay. Use this user reference. Okay, we'll sort that out later. Okay, enter a word to change. I want to change we, so I'm going to put you. Okay, so the new string is you are going to change a word. Okay, I will sort that out later. Okay, oh, okay, that's what happened. I didn't see that. I was a bit perplexed there for a second or two. Let's run it again. Yeah, that's better. Look at this. So we are going to change a word. I'm going to put again you. So new string, you are going to change a word, and the formatting looks a lot better there. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I will catch you in another video. Bye-de-bye.